In this video, I am about to share a Jenni AI coupon code, which will give you a flat 20% discount on your order. On top of that, you can get an extra 20% discount if you decide to use our affiliate link, which is given in the video description. Once you click on that link, you'll be taken to this page. Here, click on this Start Writing button. Next, you first need to sign up or log into your account. It may ask you a few questions before you see the dashboard, so simply answer them and then continue further. Once you reach your dashboard, click on this blue pricing button at the top. This will show you the pricing plans of Jenni AI. We have the 6 months plan and then the 12 months plan. And as you can see, a 20% discount is already applied to the plans since I've used the affiliate link. Next, I only need to select a plan and continue. This will take me to the checkout page. Here, you will see this Add Promo Code section. Here, you need to enter this coupon code, which is showing on your screen. The coupon code is Jenni20, and it will give you an extra 20% discount on your order. And now, I only have to pay $92 for the yearly subscription, which is basically $7 to $8 per month. So, we only need to enter the payment info here, and then make the payment. If you get the discount using the links and coupons, make sure to leave a comment below this video. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more software deals videos. And if you want to know how to use Jenni AI effectively, then make sure to watch this video that's showing on your screen.